What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon and welcome to this video about XRP, the main currency of the Ripple blockchain, I guess we could say, or is it called the XRP blockchain? I'm not even sure anymore, but we'll do a full analysis on XRP. We'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about the fundamentals a little bit. We have to, obviously, there are a lot of important fundamentals around XRP. So let's get right into it. So first of all, to start with the fundamentals, right now the thing that we're waiting for is the end of the case between Ripple and the SEC. All right, there were some rumors also brought into the world by Charles Hoskinson of Cardano that today might actually be the final date that a potential settlement could be made in the case. Well, it seems to be not true, at least. It hasn't happened so far. But yeah, I mean, lately there were some talks about I think the CEO of Ripple said that it's probably going to be finished in the first half of 2023. So that could still take a while, right? So that could still take half a year, could be a month. But it's always hard to say with things like that. At least I don't really have updates for now. The thing is that they were talking about a settlement being made in the case, which it just means that they kind of make a deal with each other instead of that a real verdict is being made, which is, I think that would be bad because, yeah, sure, maybe the SEC might pay Ripple some money, maybe Ripple might pay the SEC some money. That's bad precedent for other crypto companies that will have the same problems, right? If Ripple loses, it would be a disaster, but if they would settle, it wouldn't be great either. So that would be pretty bearish, I think, and that's actually in the air a little bit now. So Monday we had a big bearish move. That wasn't because of it. I mean, you don't really see it in the price of XRP right now, I'd say. That Monday move was more of a fundamental move throughout the entire markets, but that's at least something you should know, about, I think. And if there are any updates, I will definitely keep you updated on that. But for now, there are not really any, at least not to my knowledge. So what you could see with Ripple right now, or with XRP, excuse me, is that there's, I mean, we were quite bullish, like at the end of November, and then from that November moment when we hit that resistance level around 42 cents, we started some sort of a downtrend. You can see that we're making lower highs, and then we did find support at like 37 cents. So what we are at right now is kind of a consolidation between, let's say, 39.5 cents and 37.5 cents, where we were a little bit more bullish because of a lower than expected inflation rate. And then yesterday we were a little bit more bearish because of the talks around the interest rates that were not bullish enough. All right, so in general, I think we can actually delete that trend line because it seems to me that we are just in a consolidation. Perhaps a little bit more tilted to the downside, as you could see as well. I mean, you could argue that we're making, as I said, lower highs and lower lows. But altogether, you could see that the EMAs are laying relatively flat. So I'd say that also right now, I mean, it seems like we're breaking out of 38 cents. I feel like that's going to happen. So I feel like we're going to drop down to 37.5 and 37 cents. So also there, we might actually drop down to somewhere like 37 or 36.7 cents, which arguably is a lower low. But I do think that from here, we would be able to get back up to at least 39 cents again. And then from there we'll see again. I think in general we'll just stay in a consolidation and less so of a downtrend. I think a consolidation fits more with the entire market, with the circumstances in the market right now, but also with the fundamentals for XRP. I mean, XRP right now is in a moment fundamentally where it's just waiting for results, right? Usually in a time where a crypto is waiting for some big fundamental things to happen, usually it consolidates. So yeah, altogether, short term, I do think we're going to fall, but I think that that will provide support around 37 cents, and we'll be able to get back up. And then somewhere when we're up here at around 39.5 cents, 39 cents, I'll make another update to see whether it really is a downtrend or more of a consolidation. So that's my take on XRP for today. Take care, have a great Thursday, and bye.